Okay.
so that we can go there. Because I would like you to be seriously learning. If you are not making your hand dirty, you won't be understanding what we're saying. Yeah, now I can see that you added some fears. So now what you have to do is go to 4 hour, look for that church, look for that imbalance, look
Okay.
for that liquidity, look at the range, all the conferences, send it to me. Then we will continue from there gradually. This is NZD on 4 hour.
From this one, this is not the first one I did. I started from AU.
Okay, you see this entry give you sniper entry, but you do not take it, I think. Just do it again. Let's work. Let's see. I was expecting you. Expecting you to send me that assignment so that we can know how far. So now clear the chat. Clear the chat. Clear it. Clear it. Okay. Start again. Yeah. Hey, look for the chart first. Yes. Okay. This is BOS. Okay, now let me show you how to save that your church, your BOS, and all these things, so that next time you don't have to be writing them again. Sure you get? Or you know how to do it? I'm not hearing you again. Maybe you are using that earpiece again. I can't hear you. So now, type what you want to say. Example. Let's start with that church. Click on that church. Click it. Okay, you have clicked it, yes? Click it very well. So go to that three boxes that you are seeing here. That three boxes. No, not here. That three boxes. No, no, that one. The box. No, the first one. Click on it.
This one.
Template, yes. Save drawing as. So write church. Write church. You see it will save it. Then save. So now, click on that second one. Let me show you why you can use it. Click on that second one. Don't worry, don't touch anything. You see no, this one's supposed to be BOS. So now, the thing is, so wait first. You do not write anything inside. You have to write it first. Click on it again. Click on that BOS. Okay, if you click it, then go to settings. See these settings, this something like this. Now click it so that you can edit, you can write text inside. Click it.
Okay, so I'll write something, right?
Yes. You need to write something inside it, the way you write it before. I don't know, I'm not seeing anything clearly, but I would like you to write the church inside, like the way you do BOS, like the way you do church. Now click on that BOS. Don't go anywhere. Click on it. You will need to update it. Click on that BOS. You just update it. Click it. Save. No, don't delete anything now. Just the BOS again. Click save. Click on that previous one. Click on it. Don't worry about it. Click on it. Yes, save. It will ask you to update. Do you need to update? Yes. So now you have updated it. So now let's assume you don't have click on that last one, last church. Go to templates. You see them back. Those, click on that church. No, sorry, don't save. Leave it. Cancel. You have already saved your church and BOS. You don't need to save it again. Cancel it. Okay, click on that template again. No, pasting. Click on that. Go to the template now. You see the BOS down there. Click on that BOS. You see it. It appears. So now, next time you don't need to worry about going and writing BOS. You have already saved it as template. You can do anything. You can write anything from now. That's the way you can do in your trend line, BOS, church, Fibonacci, any tool you can modify it like that. You don't need to be going up and down. The only issue now is that I can't hear you. And one thing again, all this market that you are marking, like this Euro USD, market is clearly going down. It is not retracing back. You need to look for the market that's going back. So now you can't get a clean entry without making sure that market has started going off on lower time frame. We have discussed that previously. You need to make sure that you see that market has to start retracing. It has started buying on lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. So now, from what I'm seeing, market is just coming down. It is not going back again. So you can mark them and wait. Don't mark. You can't buy a clean entry like that. You need to make sure that you see the market has started coming back, as if it will buy. Then that way you position yourself well, because you can't get clean entry. You can't know where the market is tracing. If you mark your imbalance order block right now, market will just change character. Market will just create a new BOS, and you will know which one to look for. I can't hear you. You are still using that earpiece.
What I did here, I marked this other block. This is what I did. I marked this other block.
Oh, okay.
And just I deleted it already, but I wrote something here. I said I'll wait for a change of character on either 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame for uptrend.
Okay.
If I
Yeah. Yes, I get it now.
Yes.
So you just mark your demand zone.
I wrote it here before.
Okay, I get it. Now you mark your demand zone, waiting for market to start going up. Yes, it's good. You can even take the buy if you are sure, if you see that small change of character. But taking the buy now is high risk, so you need to maximize and make sure you set BE immediately. Market price going off. Immediately price started going off. Just set BE, because you are going against the trend now, and you can scalp it. It doesn't really mean you must sell. You can take the buy, wait for it to go to your point of interest, then come down again. Yes, that's good. So let's go to another fear. Let's change screen.
Okay. So this is what I have here.
This is GBP, BTC. Yes. So now this your entry is very, very, very clean entry. You can take this buy because you have your range, you have BOS, liquidity, imbalance, and you can take this trade without any waste of time. So now, let me show you how to edit that thing. Mark this range. You do a rectangle. It's like you are a rectangle. You have messed it up. Click on that your rectangle. Let's mark this range. Click it. So mark the range. No, not this range. Mark it complete range. But the range is too big, so mark it. Don't worry, we'll set that to your horizontal. Mark it. Just mark it. Mark. All the way to your BOS level. All the way. Go off. So now wait. It's okay like this. Now, okay, you are using comfortable, right? So right now, right click your mouse. Right click. Oh, it has disappeared. You need to not click it too. You just press it first. Make sure the thing has dropped. I'm sorry. Let's do it. Someone is calling me. Yeah, Iggy. Hello, this. Yeah, one of you. ina ka shiga ne? Okay, come to settings. Settings. Allah sarki. Aya. Ya kwana biyu Aziz. Ya Togo. Template, come to template. Template, down template. Na ga. Ya kwana biyu to ya harkoki. Apply default, click it. Apply default, click it. To ya wuce nice. Okay, click okay. Wala Abdulaziz nace to kaga kai shuru kuma abubuwa yana ta tafiya fa kaga ya kamata a ce ka dawo. Ya kamata ka dawo. Do it again. Wallahi. Oh, ke kaga ne ana ta tafiya. Click okay, click okay now. Gaskiya kakwan biyu baka yi yawa. Kakwan biyu baka wannan ba. So now, delete that you arrange rectangle, delete it and use this one, delete that all one. Wallahi Abdulaziz nace to kaga Abdulaziz ana ta tafiya ba a yi da shi kuma kaga muna yin nisa karatu yana yin nisa. Dan abin da ka rike zaka manta. Za ka manta. Ba damuwa Abdulaziz ba damuwa. Okay, to ga Okay, yanzu ma kaga nayi sabon course da nake so in bude shi in fito da shi. So in kana so kaga zaka iya siye shi kaga in na tura maka shi bidiyo ne zaka yi ta maimaitawa har sai lokacin da ka samu dama kaga shikenan ka huta. Ba sai mun ta yin class kamar da ba. Takarda yadda idan ka ɗauki trade da yadda ake yin journal ka san mutane da yawa ba su iya journal ba. Nice. So now go to another place. Dubu goma ne muke sai da shi ba yawa amma ga in ya kai juma'a zai kama 25,000 ko 20,000. Now go to another currency. This one is clean, it's already out. Let's go to another currency. Inshallah, kuma wancan account namu, wancan account. So look for the same thing again. Okay, wancan account namu ya dan shiga draw. Now clean the chat. Clean it. Just clean it. Don't. Clean it. Tiba, you need to always minimize your chat. Make it small so that we can see the whole view before you enlarge it. No, delete the chat. Just delete everything here. So now, market is going off, but before it goes off. What is it is selling? Now it is going off. No, maximize the chart. Okay, let me see the ending of this, where the market started selling from. Zoom it down, bring it down. Let me see the. Okay, so okay, I see now. Market is clearing down now, but it has started going off. So fine, but even though it is buying, you need to wait for it to start selling again. Now, based on what I'm seeing right now, even though I'm a day trader, I need to look for buy. Still, there is selling opportunity based on this market structure that I'm saying. I don't know whether you see it. There is good selling opportunity than the buy. I can't hear you. I'm just taking. So there is good selling opportunity more than the buy now. Market is going off clearly on 4 hours. But if you see,
Yes.
market has started going for, market started reaching where it is supposed to sell again. Based on the previous trend that I'm seeing clean sell trend. So now, even though market is said is buying, there is no, don't use this. Use Fibonacci first. Use Fibonacci first. Find out why the market may retrace. No, don't use use it. Plot it. So now, if you say you look for buy, market may take you out because it has started reaching out where it's supposed to sell, because the previous trend on daily, this trend that you are marking out is daily trend.
So if I don't wear earpiece, I don't hear you well.
Okay, but if you wear the earpiece, I can't hear you again. But
If I want to talk, I will remove it.
no, just wear it so that you can be hearing me. There's no problem if I can't hear you. Don't worry. Adjust the Fibonacci to the last end. Bring it back small so that I can see. The Fibonacci did not feel well. Adjust it. No, I mean the Fibonacci. Drag it to your right. No, don't miss it. Don't mark it. Drag it to your right again. It's okay. So now, that top one that you mark is not the first market structure that you're supposed to buy, or it's not the swing high. The off one, drag it down to this other swing low where the market started actually selling. Not the first one that you mark. The top where you are 1+1 is yes, and go up small. Make sure it is go up small. Go up small. Let me see where I can see these things. Annotation. I need to use that annotation so that you can be like that. You get the point. So now, if you notice, market there is selling opportunity. You are to look for buy, but you can also see the selling opportunity. See the imbalance inside the Fibonacci, 50%. See the range. See liquidity. Mark this. Use the rectangle to mark the entire 50% zone. No. Okay. No, don't mark it like that. So bring that your other one. I said you need to mark from 50% to 61.8%. Not the whole top. The rectangle. No, not the people. Don't touch the Fibonacci. The rectangle. Don't touch the Fibonacci. It is. Drag the top one. No, you do not get it. Go off. You see that zone where 0.68. It's okay like that. So now bring the down. Drag it down. Yes, okay, like this. Drag the down one to be inside that zone between 50% and 618%. Okay, you see bar. So remove the so now it's okay. Don't worry. Now mark the 7-8%, 7-8%, the tough one, mark it. Use rectangle again. From here off, from there off. Mark it off, off, off. Mark it complete off. Okay, so mun gama. Okay, can you hear me now? Yo, I say you need to get that course. You need to take that course that I am releasing. I don't know whether I see it. It will help you with journaling, risk management, and psychology. That course is full pack. You need to get it before the pre-launch. Our time will end. Our time will end within a minute. So now, delete the Fibonacci. Delete it. So now, go to 1 hour. So now, you have 2 points of interest. I don't know whether we can go back to 4 hours again, mark imbalance. Which one do you see has an imbalance? Sorry, go back to 4 hours, mark your imbalance and for me. Mark the imbalance. You need to adjust that. Mark the imbalance. You can mark it even inside the rectangle again. You can mark it. You can adjust it perpetually well. But you make sure you get an imbalance. I can see an imbalance. Mark it even if it is inside that rectangle. Mark it over. No, yes, another thing. What are you marking now? Is it imbalance or liquidity? Okay, so now I don't know, can you talk again? Can you put your earpiece or let me talk to me? Let me hear you. I can't hear you. I asked you, what are you marking? Is it imbalance or Fibonacci? So now, even the imbalance, you can still use. Are you marking imbalance or Fibonacci or Pierre-Baluga?
I'm marking imbalance.
So find another one. Find another one.
Okay.
So now you get an imbalance and you get your imbalance and point of interest. So now what I can see two imbalances. So now which that second one at the top, that one at the down, what is it?
It's imbalance.
Imbalance. So yes, it's imbalance, but
yes, imbalance.
Yes, it's clean imbalance. So now, if you are to look for buy or sell, which one will you go with? You have two zones now for selling. You are looking for sell. You are now. What the reason why I show you this is that even if you look for buy, make sure you know that these two zones will hold market down. So you get. So now you are maintaining that you are 4 hours. Your 4 hours is buying. So now you mark these two zones to be watching out for them, because market will take you out or will do bust if you are inside buying, or market may retrace to your point of interest for you to buy inside these two zones. So now don't worry about them. Go to 1 hour to look for that buying opportunity. Forget about them like that. Just leave them like that. So now you don't need to worry about the sellings. You just mark them so that you know these two zones will hold market. And if I'm buying, I must make sure I take my profit within these two zones, because market may reverse from there and I may lose, or my profit will go. So now the chart is not that big. Open it quite good. I've not seen. Now we have to look for buy. Don't worry about the sell anymore. We have to look for buy. Zoom it very well. No, not like that. Go to left. So now on that 1 hour, we look for other block and imbalances. No, you have to look for buy. Don't worry about sell. I asked you, forget about this one. You are going down to 4 hours to look for buy. you have your church already on 4 hours. So now I ask you to look for buying opportunity. So now, when you are marking all this, you need to be writing inside them too. Write me what are you looking? Is it imbalance or fair value double? Imbalance or liquidity? I can't really know which one you are marking. So you need to write them inside like the way we do the artist.
Let me write it again. Let me remark this thing.
Okay.